Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're looking at two refurbished super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 3200 with Latte Go and the De'Longhi Eletta. Both black, both renewed.
Yeah, and both promising that bean-to-cup experience. The Philips is going for around $600, but the De'Longhi looks like it's currently unavailable. That's a bummer.
True. Availability is key, but let's pretend it was available. The Philips is a bit smaller, 15 by 10 by 17 inches compared to the De'Longhi, which is 10.2x, 18.36x, 14.16. So the De'Longhi is wider and not as tall. Might matter depending on your counter space.
Good point. Weight-wise, the De'Longhi is heavier at 24 pounds compared to Philips' 21.6 pounds. Not a huge difference, but something. What about the frothing systems?
The Philips uses Latte Go, which mixes milk and air in a chamber for a silky smooth froth. The De'Longhi has their Latte Crema system, offering both classic cappuccino texture and a hot milk setting for lattes. Sounds like more options with the De'Longhi.
I see that the Philips has a 12-step grinder adjustment, which is quite customizable. Does the De'Longhi say anything about its grinder?
It does. It boasts an integrated stainless steel burr grinder with 13 adjustable settings and Timeworkery tubeless technology to minimize leftover grounds. That tubeless thing sounds pretty neat.
Okay, that tour is nice. Cleaning is a pain. How do they compare there?
Philips doesn't go into crazy detail, but the De'Longhi claims its brew unit is removable, and the drip tray is dishwasher safe, making it faster and cheaper to clean compared to competitors and without harsh chemicals. Big win for De'Longhi, potentially.
Definitely. And, the Philips makes 5 coffee types, including cappuccino. The De'Longhi seems to focus on latte and cappuccino variations, with a My Milk menu for customization.
Right. The Philips has a slightly better rating, 4.1 stars versus 3.8 for the De'Longhi, but the Philips has way more reviews. 55 to the De'Longhi's 11. Smaller sample size for the De'Longhi, you know?
Yeah, and both are renewed, so there's always that element of chance. Ultimately, I think if the De'Longhi was available, the easier cleaning and customizable milk options would sway me, even with the slightly lower rating. But the Philips is available now, so...
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.